loves, it's Crystal Marie. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are one of my returning subscribers, thank you guys for coming back. I appreciate you. I just wanted to hop on and do a quick unboxing of the December 2020 Simply Gilded box. This one is called Growth. So if you guys are not a Simply Gilded subscriber, I will leave the link to where you can subscribe. The prices have gone up starting in January, which is this month. I'm filming this this month because you usually get the Simply Gilded boxes a little bit later in the month, towards the next month. And so I am going to walk you guys through, as always, what's inside the box. It is a great value nonetheless, even if the prices have risen, and I as a business owner, I totally understand that. So let's just get into opening this box. First off, how pretty is this box? I actually like this. I like the design here on the side. This is the front of the box, and then of course the design on the side, and then the back is pink. I love how this box is put together. So we're just gonna open it and slide everything out. As always, I do reveal the mystery items. So if that is not your thing, you don't wanna know what the mystery item is, then you may wanna not watch the video or fast forward because I tell you everything. All right, so like I said, this is the December 2020 box, and the first thing that you get in the box is, of course, the menu card. Let me see if I can adjust the settings here so you can see that. All right, and so we have a foiled journaling card, designer washi tapes, a deluxe sticker kit, mini vegan leather album, B6 stitched binding notebook, sleek engraved gel pen, charm key fob, vellum and acetate sheets, vellum leaf sticky note, and a mystery item. That is what's in this month's box. First of all, you guys know, if you have watched some of my Simply Gilded unboxings, I absolutely love these sticker books. Like, I love them. A lot of the times she does include them in the boxes, which is where I've gotten most of mine from, but I did buy, I think, 2 or 3 more because I'm really trying to organize my stickers. My favorite color is pink, you guys know, with the gold or rose gold hardware. That is my thing. So I'm already in love with this box just based on having the sticker book. And if you look inside, it's got this mint green that kind of goes with the box theme. Of course it goes with the box theme because it's a themed box, of course. But it matches the box color is what I was trying to say. So yes, I love that. It has the rose gold hardware. And one of my favorite things about the Simply Gilded sticker books and why I love them so much is that they're side loading. So I can easily slip in and out. And I feel like when you have to go from the top, it's like a lot harder to get your hand in there. And so I love, love, love that these sticker books are side loading. So this is so pretty, so pretty. It talks to me in many ways because of the color, of course, the pink and the rose gold hardware. Wait, wait, wait. Okay, there we go. Oh no, is it not closing? There we go. I was just having a hard time with that one. Okay. And then next up is the washi tapes. Now, I always say this, I think, but the price of this box with the shipping, because this is December, it was on the old pricing, was $31. And I was grandfathered in because I think she did have a slight price increase before. And I got to keep my pricing up until this month, which is January. But for this December box, it was still the $31, and I believe that just the washi alone is worth pretty much that much. So it's a great quality box. If you are looking to sign up, if you want like a stationary subscription, I definitely highly recommend Simply Gilded. But these are the washi tapes this month. How gorgeous are these? These two have silver foil, and the rest, oh, and then this one has like a silver like hollow foil, and then the rest of them are gold foil. These are gorgeous. And you get 1, 2, 4, 6 of them. So there's 6 of them. And then of course you always get the pen. This is a super pretty one. I love this ombre, and it's got the rose gold hardware. I love this pink into this like green. And I hope it's doing justice on camera, but it's like very pearlized. Love the pen. Love the pen. And I write with Simply Gilded and Vivid Beautiful pens basically daily. Those are the 2 pens that I reach for. So I always, always, always use the pens. And then here's the journaling card. Very pretty. And this is the rose gold foil. Put that over here. And then we've got the vellum sticky note. Let's take this out so you guys can really see it in all its glory. Vellum sticky notes. Very nice. I think, I want to say, I'd have to check, but I believe this is like the first time she's done like a vellum sticky note, at least in the boxes that I've had, but I have to go back and check because there's often like a whole bunch of stuff that I haven't even gotten to using in some of the boxes. Other times, like other stuff, I will send to friends. I love, love, love these the keychains when she includes those in. And what I usually normally will do, which I will do right now for you guys, is place this keychain here on the sticker book. How pretty is that? Look at that. Gorgeous. So all of my sticker books do have like a charm on them. I love that. I think it's just so dainty and girly, and it makes me feel all like pretty inside. And then we have the acetate sheet. Now I do say this every time. I prefer not to have folded sheets. Like I would prefer it to just be cut to this size because they're originally 8.5 by 11. So if I really did want to use that for, you know, some project, you know, then that line would be there, and that annoys me. But the sheets are always very pretty. So this is the acetate sheet here, and then 2 of the vellum sheets. I feel like this pattern is just very like tribal. And then here is the other vellum sheet. So pretty. They are pretty. The sheets are always so pretty. And then is this yeah, I think this is the mystery item. So it's another, it's a set of stickers. So this is not the main sticker sheet or sticker kit that comes with it. This is the mystery item. So you've got, let me see if you guys, I can put something dark back behind here so you guys can kind of see it. Those are the sticker sheets and their leaves, very pretty. And this is like the vellum kind of clear sticker sheet, and it's rose gold foil. Love. And then we have I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera, but we have 2 sticker sheets here. One is rose gold foil, and then one is like pink, and it's like for overlay. So it's clear, it's on clear background. But those are so pretty. Where did I put my, oh, there we go. I'm gonna keep everything together because I always like to do a little recap at the end. And then here is the sticker kit. You always get a sticker kit in the box. I actually believe for January, she being Irene, the owner of Simply Gilded, did start a new subscription. Like you can get like washi only, and I think you might be able to get the sticker kit only. Like I think there's 2 new subscriptions besides the full box that you can get. I decided to keep the full box for right now because it only went up, I think, about $10 total. So yeah, so I'm going to keep it for right now, and then we'll reevaluate if I need to. But you always get the heart icons, and this one has the iridescent like background. And then the this is more heart icons. You won't be able to tell the heart, but it has the numbers. And okay, my camera stopped for a second, but I was saying I love, love, love the bows. I use these to seal envelopes. They're always so pretty, and I have like a sticker book full of them, so I could just pull these out when I'm ready to send pretty mail. And then you have the 2 sheets full of like the days. Oh, these are really pretty. I love this background. Love, love, love. You have the days of the week here and here, and then like meeting and appointment, Washi Wednesday, just some like fun little planner stickers. You've got your large boxes here that you can use. Similar here, you've got your large boxes, your page flags. Oh, that is my alarm. 1 second. And then the pretty bows, and this is all rose gold. Love, love, love all of this. And then we have the, is this dot grid or did it say lined? Let me see. B-stitch binding notebook. Okay, it didn't say if this was lined or not, and I can't remember because I usually watch the videos that she does, and I can't remember what it says. I was not a B6 girl, but she did include a B6 notebook cover in one of the boxes, and then I started using it, and then she included a better one, a pink one, and it's like pink striped. Oh my gosh. And so I fell in love with that one, so I'm using that one, and I put some of the B6 notebooks in there. I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet though. I was using it for my fitness journey, and I kind of like, I don't know, but I like it, so I put them all in there. This is dot grid. So I open that up for you guys. Dot grid, B6, it's so pretty. And then on the back it says glow up. Love, love, love. And then it's got the pink stitching here. You might not be able to see that on the camera, but it's got pink stitching, and that is gorgeous. So let's do a recap quickly of what we got here. So we've got the B6 notebook, which I just showed you, and the pretty sticker kit that you get every month with the bow seals. Gorgeous. This is the mystery item, so it's an additional 3 pages of stickers and the smaller stickers. We have the journaling card here. Of course, we have the washi tapes, 6 of them. We've got the signature Simply Gilded pin, and then we've got the acetate sheets here. This really gorgeous sticker book with the keychain here, and then the vellum sticky notes here. Woo, nice. I need to start showing you guys how I'm using this stuff, because the thing is that I did promise myself, like, I can't just buy planner and crafting supplies and not use it. And in fact, last year, 2020, at the end of the year, I did a huge purge on my craft supplies and a lot of planner supplies that I wasn't using, because I just want to be mindful of what's in the house, and I gave it a lot to friends who have kids, etc. But I have to use what I buy. So you guys have to help keep me accountable too. Like, don't just let me off. You should be asking me, like DMing me, where's the Simply Gilded setup or something, you know, so that I can show you how I'm using this stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed that really quick video. And again, this is the Growth Box December 2020 from Simply Gilded, and I will be back with more videos soon. Love you guys. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, like, share, comment as always, and let me know what other planner related videos or craft related videos that you want to see. Love you guys. Bye.